Good morning. So today I have decided that I'm going to make a frame to go around my mirror. Can you see the mirror? Okay. The mirror just looks too plain to me. And I had this conversation with my husband. He kind of did not agree with me, but we're gonna make a frame for the mirror and we're gonna bling it out. So let's get started. So I've already cut this, the wood. So let me just say that I used my miter saw. I made 45-degree angle cuts on all the pieces. You do not need a miter saw to do this. All you need is a regular saw, and they make actually a miter saw kit where it's just a little, it already has the angles for you and you saw away. So this is definitely something that you can do for under $20. This wood is like, I don't know, maybe $1 or $2 like for 6 feet. Very cheap, so very doable. So let's get started, which I already said. I'm just gonna lay them together. So I'm gonna use the nail gun and I'm gonna actually build the frame together. And then, I really haven't figured out how I'm going to attach it to the mirror yet. Probably just some type of glue, because I don't want to take the mirror down. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. All right, so this side of the wood is kind of messed up, so I'm going to put that on the bottom. And then this side of the wood has print on it, so I'm going to use it on the other side as well. And of course, I am going to paint. Well, maybe spray paint. And we're gonna bling this out. We're gonna bling out this this frame. So unfortunately, the way I cut this, oh no, I'm gonna flip it around. Frame, or I guess third, because the first set I did on my pictures that I had, they desperately needed frames. I mean, I think they look a million times better. Check out that video. But I don't know, I think because I now know that I can make frames, everything I look at needs a frame. But I mean, in all honesty, this is a beautiful mirror, but it needs a frame. And we're gonna make it. Now, I don't think that there's a way around this. There are cheaper ones of this. This was like $100 at Home Depot. And just to throw this out there, I did military discount at Home Depot, so I also saved 10%. So before I got this, this was my treat. I just had one of the electrical ones that you plug in, and I believe those are like way cheaper, and it works just the same, you know, just as good. Get back to work. Okay, I'm back. So I had to remeasure because sometimes I'm silly and I am also learning at this, okay? I am very, very new to this. And I guess I should say, disclaimer, I am not a carpenter. Okay, so I've made this longer, or I went and cut another piece, made it longer, but I did not have enough wood to make another longer piece. So what I did was I cut a piece and I'm going to add it to this. So hopefully that works. We're gonna give it a go here. Let's see. And then my plan is I'll just mend it. Maybe I'm gonna do this side. I don't know. I guess upside down would be okay. All right, so let's give that a go. First, I probably should try some glue, but I'm gonna try nailing it. I'm gonna go grab some glue real quick. I'm gonna use some Gorilla Glue. I probably should use nail glue. I mean wood glue, and I have wood glue, but I don't know where the wood glue is, so I'm just gonna use Gorilla Glue. And it's clear Gorilla Glue. We're gonna see how it goes.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you're out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flight to get up in your. With love is charging, I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over, 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown.
I'm gonna put this at the top so you really don't need to keep it. And like I said, blend this out. So I'm gonna use some metallic chrome Rustoleum spray paint. I wasn't gonna spray paint it first. I was just gonna do the decor stuff, but just in case when I put these little ice cube things or whatever they're called on there, and I like them without the spray paint, this will already be painted. It won't be wood. So here we go.
Rhyme my circuits, but you don't get that courage, 'cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a.
So I have these mini ice cubes and my Gorilla Glue. It's clear, so I'm gonna give this a try. If it doesn't look right, I don't know. Hopefully it looks right. Alrighty. You know, part of DIYing is trying new things, seeing what you like. I try new things all the time. Most of the time I like them. Sure, there have definitely been times where I have tried something and it did not work out so well. If I wasn't doing this right now, I would go show you a few things that haven't worked out, but let's finish this project. Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. Right, because it's super bright outside. But, so we're done. I have laid, so I did not record this, but I also spray painted the back side of the frame as well, because when I went to lay it down on the mirror, I could see the raw wood. So I have spray painted it, and now I didn't really want to glue this down. However, I don't have an alternative. I guess I could try like some Velcro. That's a thought. I could try Velcro versus gluing it down, just in case the husband don't like it. Okay, I'll be right. So I ran to Home Depot and I got some command strips. So I had filmed the other one, me putting these command strips on, and my head was cut off, so hopefully it's not cut off this time. Anyway, so command strips. I'm using command strips. I am going to Velcro them. Well, Velcro the frame to the mirror, because I try not to do permanent things, especially because a lot of times I'm doing these projects and my husband is not here, and so, you know, in the event that husband don't like it, it's not permanent, right? I can take it off. So I put 2 here, or 2 on the top.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flight to get up in your. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over, 'cause you can't take.
I really hope that you liked this DIY. It was actually really easy to do and actually very cheap to do as well. So stay tuned for more DIYs. Please subscribe to my channel. I do DIYs every single weekend. Thanks for your support.